as a means of preventing global warming and the realization of a sustainable carbon-neutral society. Fuji Electric has developed the 7th-generation X Series IGBT modules that can contribute to energy saving, miniaturization, and high reliability of power converters. The X Series applies state-of-the-art power semiconductor chip and corresponding packaging technology to achieve high power density. These features realize low loss, high operating temperature, and miniaturization. These products are extensively used in a wide range of applications, such as inverters for industrial motor drives, UPS, and power conditioners for wind and solar power generation. Since starting the production of IGBT modules in 1987, Fuji Electric has continuously pursued and incorporated thin wafer processing and surface structure optimization technologies to its products. Our latest X Series technologies have significantly improved the trade-off between the collector-emitter saturation voltage and switching loss as compared to the previous generation. It is expected to significantly reduce inverter loss by approximately 10%, while suppressing chip temperature rise and contributing to miniaturization. In addition, the X Series has reduced thermal resistance by applying a new high-heat dissipating insulating substrate that improves internal insulation and heat dissipation performance. These low thermal resistance characteristics and high operating temperature that support chip temperature up to 175 degrees Celsius during continuous operation have realized a larger output current compared to the previous generation in the same package size. Furthermore, by reducing loss and high operating temperature, the X Series can reduce package sizes by up to 36% compared to the previous generation at the same current rating. This contributes to downsizing of equipment and reduction of system cost. The X Series is available in the 3 voltage classes of 650 volts, 1200 volts, and 1700 volts, and comes in a wide range of rated currents from 10 amps up to 2400 amps. This extensive lineup allows customers to choose products that are optimized for their applications. Fuji Electric is pursuing technological innovation and contributing to the realization of a safe and secure society.